Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: a circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. So we see that AQ equals to means what is the relation between AQ and the perimeter of triangle ABC. As the lengths of tangent drawn from external point are equal. So here AQ will be equals to AR, BQ equals to BP and CP equals to CR. As perimeter of triangle ABC is sum of its side means AB plus BC plus CA. So AB is as it is plus BC means BP plus BC plus this CR is AR minus CR. So AB plus BP means BQ plus BC plus AR means AQ minus CR means CP or PC. So here AB plus AB plus BQ plus AQ. So here we will get AB plus BQ means AQ. So it is AQ plus AQ, that is 2 times AQ. Hence AQ equals to 1/2 perimeter of triangle ABC.